favorite sequences to do using the wall is this one right here. It's a rolling movement through the spine, working your way up and down the wall. This is one of the sequences that I liked so much that it was what really pushed me toward writing a manual about practicing with all the special things that we can do at the wall. So what you're going to do is come down onto your back with the feet on the wall. Right about 90-90 position, doesn't have to be perfect at this point. And then we're going to start to play with the pelvic tilt. So first I'm going to do a posterior pelvic tilt and start to lift the lower part of the pelvis up and lower it down. Think about earlier when we were doing roll downs and roll ups at the wall, picking that one segment of spine to focus on to roll up and down. You feel this really specific connection to the lower belly muscles. And then I play with the movement. I'm going to start to go higher, and I might feel like I want to change my foot position. You have the whole wall to play with and to experiment with, so feel free to move the feet up, move the feet down, put more pressure, less pressure. But be sure to explore the movement slowly, at least for a few rounds, and see how precisely you can control each movement. You can play around with taking a foot or a leg away from the wall. And roll back down. Go a little bit lower. And higher. When you go up really high, you're getting into this position that's almost like a shoulder stand. And you can play with different leg variations. I'm actually going to take my hands underneath as if I was in a shoulder stand. And then I feel pretty comfortable coming away from the wall and over into plow. And then from plow, lifting one leg up, seeing if I can get the wall. I don't think I'm going to get it on that side. But again, even when we don't hit the wall, it's kind of this target that we're reaching for. Lowering the arms down and coming down with just as much control.